You train hard, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, always chasing the next rep. But what if I told you the most powerful way to build strength is to not move at all? That's right. You can reshape your entire body, your strength, posture, and control by holding still. Today, I'll show you 4 isometric holds that will completely transform your physique. No weights, no motion, no excuses. Let's begin. Number 1. The wall sit. It looks harmless, just you against a wall. But 30 seconds in, your legs start to shake, your quads catch fire, and your mind wants out. That's when the transformation starts. Slide down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor, knees at 90 degrees, and your back flat. No arching, no leaning forward, just tension. This static hold forces every muscle in your legs to contract at once. Quads, glutes, and hamstrings. It builds strength like squats, but with zero impact. Hold for 20 seconds to start, then push toward 1 full minute. Stay still, breathe slow, and let the burn sculpt your legs. Because this is more than a leg exercise, it's mental warfare. Number 2, the plank. Everyone thinks they know it, but most people do it wrong. The plank isn't just a core move, it's a full body test of control. From your shoulders to your toes, every muscle fights to hold that perfect line. Elbows under shoulders, body straight, core tight, glutes squeezed. No sagging hips, jaw lifted backs, just pure stability. Start with 30 seconds. When it feels easy, try 60. And if you really want to challenge yourself, go side plank or lift one arm, one leg. Do it right and your entire frame tightens. Your core gets solid, your posture improves, and your balance skyrockets. Because strength isn't how much you lift, it's how well you hold. Number 3, the Superman hold. You can't see your back in the mirror, but everyone sees it when you stand tall. This is how you build that posture. Lie flat, arms stretched forward, and lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground. Hold 20 seconds, maybe 30. Feel your glutes and spinal muscles locking in, keeping your spine straight and strong. This hold counters hours of sitting, fixes slouching, and builds the foundation for every pull-up, every lift. It's simple, but brutal. Hold your ground, breathe, and rise again. Because the real strength is built in the muscles you forget to train. Number 4, the isometric push-up. Hold. Now it's time for the upper body. Drop into a push-up position. Lower halfway, then stop. Freeze. Every fiber in your chest, arms, and shoulders screams to move, but don't. Hold. This position forces your muscles to contract under constant tension. It builds explosive power and endurance at once. Start with 15 seconds. Work toward 30. 3 to 4 sets. Rest between each one, and never rush it. This is precision strength. Because what looks easy, holding still, is actually the hardest test of control. Here's how to bring it all together. Each exercise is a full body lock. Wall set, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Superman hold, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Push-up hold, 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. Do this routine 3 times a week. Every session will feel short, but intense. In just a few weeks, your posture, stability, and strength will look and feel completely different. Isometric training teaches something deeper than movement. It teaches control, the ability to resist, endure, and focus. Because strength isn't always about motion. Sometimes it's about stillness, holding when your body wants to quit, enduring the burn when everything tells you to drop. That's how you build real strength, the kind that lasts. So here's your challenge. 4 holds, 10 minutes, 3 days a week. No gym, no excuses. Just your body and the discipline to stay still. This is Phantom Core. Train smarter, hold stronger, and build the strength that never breaks. See you in the next video.